Hey guys, Snapper Rafter here. Yeah, I know it's been a long time, but I just wanted to come in here real quick and show you guys my starter braid locks in my hair. I did practice with twists first, and I liked the twists better because they were more fuller and things like that. But it got shaggy, and I didn't really have my parts precise like I wanted either, but I just felt like the twist might get too shaggy for me too fast and I won't be able to see what I'm doing real good, and just did it like this to make it easier, so when I try to tighten the roots up when they grow out, I'm just thinking it might be easier. I don't know, I'm just guessing, but I thought it was in my best interest to just try to start it with the braids. So that's why I went with the braid locks, the braid starter locks as braids, because of that. And yeah, this is how it's looking. The established date I got it done was 10/10/2020, and yeah, it took about 12 to 13 hours, something like that. And yeah, that was a while. Just all the parting and stuff. You guys know how it is when you gotta trying to do it and stuff on your own and everything. But so far, this is how it's looking and everything. Guess how many braid locks, starter locks that I have, if you want to guess. I don't have as much density as I used to in my hair, but plus when you first get them done, it looks thinner anyway. But let me show you the back of it. Yeah, to prep my hair, I washed it first and everything. Washed it with the new melanin shampoo, black soap shampoo. I diluted mine with half water and then added some oils and everything. So it maybe wouldn't feel as stripping or as like, yeah. So, and it didn't. So it helped. So I did pre-poo my hair first too. I watched a lot of videos because I heard a lot of people say, it's kind of extra clean, but not stripping. So I just wanted to make sure, it worked okay. And I did use the oil and put on my hair. I just put a little bit in a spray bottle with some water. This is the oil that I use, and this is my favorite product of the line so far that I've tried. I've tried all of them except for the leave-in. So this one is by far, yes, by far my favorite. Even though I haven't tried the leave-in, but I still think this is my favorite. But yeah, so I just wanted to stop in and show you guys that. Yeah, tell you guys that. I tried to upload a regular video, but I was unsuccessful. It's been so long since I uploaded a video that I really don't know what I'm doing anymore. So bear with me on here sometimes if you see a video. And yeah, because I don't really want to stress about anything, and I just put it on your phone and just show them on your phone. So yeah, so that's that. Let me know what you guys think. I've been watching a lot of videos, seeing a lot of people starting their locks, and a lot of new naturals starting their locks, so I was motivated, and it helped me and kept me from cutting my hair again because I really had it shaved down. But yeah, so hopefully I have a good luck with this, and if not, I was gonna cut it anyway, so I'll just cut it if it doesn't go my way or if it's not doing what I think it should be doing. But that's all I wanted to do, and stop in and say hi and hope everybody's doing well, and hopefully I'll see you guys on another video. Probably be from my phone until I figure out what's going on though. So yep, bye.